Hey guys, this is Tim from Toolman of Home Improvement. One quick thing I wanted to show you guys was how to organize your garage, especially if you have kayaks. These brackets are really cool. And so these brackets right here will wrap around and they actually go right here and bolt in. You can use just any bolts with, and if you can't hit a stud, obviously you just use your bolts that have the brace inside so it secures. And that's what I did here. So I didn't hit any studs on these guys, and they're not the lightest thing in the world. But I connected these two here, and I just kind of put this guy on top. I'm gonna get a couple more. The other thing is too is they've got these really cool racks, bracket racks, 4 paddle bracket racks, and those can go right up on the top there. Holds quite a bit of so I put them on both sides, so they were there. So that organizes a lot of what we were trying to organize here. I'm gonna put another one above there, and I'm gonna probably put this big guy above it, so it's a little bit easier to take off and on rather than being too low on the ground. But I wanted to show you, and these brackets can be picked up on Amazon. I'll leave a link at the bottom for it. For the brackets, these are extensions as well. If you have a bigger thing that you want to do, you could do it that way too.